So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Coding Phoenix, and in today's video we are gonna create a project called image switchroo. So in this we basically learned a thing called on mouse hover. So we are going to learn about the on mouse hover function, and we are and yes, there will be and we are also going to learn about functions. So we are basically going to learn about two things. So yep, let's get started. First you have to open the HTML, and then you have to open the head, and then you have to close the head, and then you have to open the body, and the ID is main, and then you have to open the H1, which is the heading one, I suppose, and the topic is Thomas Edison. So guys, you have to type about Thomas Edison only. So what is the use of this project? Is this Thomas Edison created the light bulb, so the first light bulb. So we are creating this to like give information about him and spread about what he did. So yes guys, and then we're gonna do image. Sorry, then we're gonna open the image. ID is a bulb, and the code is there. I mean the code inside is bulb. So here we're gonna use the image tag, and we're also learning about image, right? So we're learning about three things, and then the sources, you have to get the link of the to give the link of the like the off button, and then you have to also get the link of the on button. So I will be giving this in the description, right? So and then you have to give the width and height inside the double quotes. I mean not inside the double quotes. So we are gonna close the double quotes that we opened here, and then width is equals to 150, height is equals to 150. So you guys have to give this only. Then image source or another line is another one. So this is for the off image, I suppose, and then you have to close the double quotes, and width is 150, height is 150. So yes, now we're gonna open BR, and then so here what you have to do, you have to use the on mouse over event to perform the switch on and switch off functions. So yes, so we're gonna do we're gonna open P on mouse over. So here we are using P for the function, and P I think is a paragraph, because P so P is the paragraph, I guess, and then equals to switch on, and then the normal brackets which is inside the quotes, and then you have to put the semicolon to close it. Then you're gonna type the function hover mouse to turn on the light. I mean, you're not going to type the function, you're going to type the text. So they are gonna hover it, and then you have to close the P, I mean the paragraph. Then again you have to open the P on mouse over, and this is for the switch off. So there are two functions for the switch on and for the switch off. Now switch off, and the brackets you have to type this in double quotes and semicolon, and then again you have to type hover mouse to turn off the light, and then you're gonna close the P. Now you're gonna leave 3 lines and open BR and H4. Now you're gonna give the information. So the information I mean I think it is in Wikipedia, but I'm giving it a project link so you can just see from there. And then yes, so basically this is the information, and then BR, and then BR, and then BR, and then I'm gonna close H4, and then close body, and then close HTML. So the HTML is done. You have to just give information, like various information about Thomas Edison. So yes, I will giving you the image source of the light bulb, like the off and on. So I just yeah, Then we're gonna do the CSS. So we're gonna open body and then open curly brackets. So for the body we are giving the function. So the background color is white. I think you should keep it as white only, guys. So because it will look better. And the color is purple. The color you can give as your wish of this, of the information about Thomas Edison. And then you're gonna close the curly brackets, and then you're gonna open the H1, and then yep, so the color is purple. The H1, the heading, meaning this. So yes, and then again you're gonna close the curly bracket, and then you're gonna open the image. For the image now we have to give function. So text line is center. So here is the image and the text line is center, guys. And the border is solid, meaning there is no I mean the border is solid for this, okay. On the and it is of 10 pixel I mean. And yes, and then you're gonna do dot image, meaning so the image, so like the two images I think. And then you're gonna open the curly bracket and text center, and then you're gonna close the curly bracket. So now we're gonna use the background color and text color properties. So you're gonna open the paragraph, and then background color is yellow. So of this yeah, so background color is yellow. You can give it as anything except black. Black will not look good. And then text line is center, and then you're gonna close the you're gonna close it with the semicolon. And then I mean, if you want to keep it as black, then the text I mean the text color, so you're gonna do like this, or you can give it as blue or something, I guess. And then the background color, you can keep it as black. So yep, that is how it will come, guys. So yeah, it's your wish, you can do anything you want. So I'm gonna keep it yellow, I guess. So yep, and then you're gonna close the curly bracket, and then the CSS is done. Now for the JS, we didn't do this in the last class. What the function of JS is like I mean not in the last class, in the last video. So the function of JS is like you have to give functions in this. So yep, let's do this. So we're gonna leave two lines and give a function switch on curly bracket, I mean the normal bracket, and then you have to open the curly bracket. Then then you have to give space, and then you have to type document dot get element by ID. So E is capital, B is capital, and I is capital. And then you are going to open the normal bracket, and you have to give as bulb. No, now this is not a double quote, this is a single quote. And then dot source is so again I'm going to give you the source. So yep, in the description I'm going to give you the source. And then now you type the function of the switch off. So I mean basically what you can do, guys, a simple thing is, so one sec, let me show you. So for the image source, what you can do is you can do can you see this assets? So in the assets you have to click, that is the easy way, okay guys. And then you have to go to photos, then you have to search on bulb or something like that, I guess, and then you can find it. So basically you have to type the perfect thing, I guess. Otherwise you can search from Google also, guys, it's fine. I don't know, just searching normal things here. Otherwise this is another simple way, or you can search on Google also, guys. So So I'll be giving you the source of the image, so yeah, no need to worry. And then again the function of switch off is kind of same. You have to do document dot get element by id bulk source, and you have to give the source. So yeah guys, that is done with this. So now I'm going to show you the demo. So like hover means to do like this. So if you hover from here it will turn on, and if you go down it will turn off. So it is like this guys, if you, it will happen like this. So yeah, you can share this to your friends, and if they like it, so guys please subscribe, don't forget to subscribe guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the project guys. So yeah, see you next video guys, thank you.